Hey, what's up everybody? This is All Out for Mobile WizTech and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this awesome feature-packed fitness tracker by MorePro, which is called the V100S. Now I'll be talking more about it right after this. Before I get started, if you end up liking this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you would like to receive more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way we can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so let's have a closer look at the box for the V100S. All right. Have some of the features right here that's on the side. QR code for the app. And some more features. All right. And with that stated, let's go ahead and get this open. All right, let's see here. Maybe rip right here. Here we go. Peel this back. All right. Slide that off. There we go. Squeeze and pop open, just like that. All right, so you have to add the strap on yourself. Okay. Here's one, and here's the other one. All right, you see that there? So this snaps into place. And then under here, you have your manual. And what else here? All right, some information here about how to charge it. You see on the back, you have some information here as well. All right. So let's go ahead, put this all out the way and look closer at the V100S. All right, so I just want to quickly touch on some of the highlighted specs for the V100S. All right, so it has a skin and body temperature monitor, heart rate and sleep monitor. Is rated IP68, so of course you can go swimming with it. All right, screen size is 1.14 inches and it does have Bluetooth 5.0. All right. Now it does have 6 sport modes and it also can receive or at least get notified for text messages or some of the apps like WhatsApp. And then you also can get notified when receiving a call as well. So all in all, pretty cool features and very easy to wear for men and women and even kids. All right, so let's go ahead and get this connected and powered up. So really quick, just so you can see it closer, when you want to charge it, you want to make sure the plastic piece that's in here is facing or is at the lower level, not this level, right? So make sure that like the little white plastic piece is at the bottom. Then you see the side with the metal contacts right there. This is how you plug it in to charge. And you can stick this into your power outlet. All right. Now, if you stick it in, let's say with this up, and then you have this facing this way, it will go in, but it will not charge. So make sure you have it facing the right way. This is the easiest way to do it. Again, have it where the plastic piece is at the bottom, the metal contact is going in just like so. Again, you see that? And it's ready to be charged. So keep in mind, you will have to have your own power brick. It doesn't come with that. All right. And it tells you what you need to do. As you can see there, very simple. All right, so let's go ahead and get this removed. And I already have this powered on. And I have to tell you that the quality of this thing looks really nice. All right. Really nice. And that's the touch area here, as you can see. So if you want to power this on, you press and hold that little area right here where it has like the arrow. You press and hold there for 3 seconds to turn it on. But since it's already on, you can just tap it and it shows you that it's on already. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and add the straps real quick, or a watch band. Let's see here. That's one, really easy. And two, and there you have it. All right. Very simple. Actually, I may have, let me take this off real quick. So I think I have it backwards. So let's see. Now taking it off is really easy. I just switched it around because I realized I had it upside down. You know, you want this buckle strap to be on top and this one at the bottom, and I had it the other way around. To take it off is real simple. Just pull it. Just like that, and it comes right off. All right, snap it back in, and it doesn't come off really easily, so you don't have to worry about losing it. It's not, you see, I had to put some real effort in to take it off. So just know that once it's in there, it's pretty secure. All right, so there you have that. Let's see what else we got here. So you can see your counters there. All right, so to navigate through the screens, you just go ahead and touch this area right here. All right, and then you can just tap it or slide it. So again, that's your messages. You have more for this. I have to set it up so you can see what those are for. Your workouts. And of course, this is like the time. All right, pretty cool, straightforward. You can double tap, you can slide, very easy to navigate. All right. Now this is the required app. Let's go ahead and get that installed. It should be pretty straightforward to get set up. All right. So the app is installed. Go ahead and tap open. So you have the two options, as you can see there. Register offline. So depending on your situation, you would choose which one you want. All right, I'm going to go with the registered. Choose your location. After you choose your location, you'll go ahead and make sure you tap over here to fill that out, because it will be empty. Tap there. Well, as you can see, it's empty now. So you'll tap in here and then read all of this if you wish, and then tap approve. And then once you just set up an account. And as you can see, I'm all set up. I just got to log in. All right. And I'll go ahead and enter my password. Next, you should see this screen after signing in. You can just hit the arrow to go through the different screens. Pretty easy. All right, get past all of that. Then give permissions. All right, tap that, allow, give all the permissions, scan, yes. Go ahead and confirm. All right, get better focus there. Allow, go ahead and allow that. All right. And let's go ahead. And it found the device here, as you can see. Go ahead and tap it. And the pairing will begin, and it should be done in a few seconds. All right, and you should see the screen afterwards. All right, so you have the different options to receive your reminders or notifications, as you can see there. Okay. So it looks like it's from the call, SMS, WeChat, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Instagram, Skype, Gmail, other app. All right. So it may not be Facebook, but if it says other app, maybe Facebook could be added. All right. You can see the automatic heart rate detection. And I'm in the app. Very simple. All right. So obviously there's no activity because I haven't did anything while wearing the V100S. But you can see all of your different options you have here. All right. Pretty nice. You can see that if you go over here to the kind of the profile settings, you can check out the different workouts. You can start your exercise by just tapping here and going from there. All right. Pretty easy. All right. So let me just exit out of here. So there's a lot of options in here. I don't want to spend a lot of time here because of the time sake of the video, but it does give you the battery level of the V100S as well, which is nice. All right. So all in all, very nice feature pack. Again, rated IP68, so you can get it immersed in water. I believe up to 5 feet for no longer than 30 minutes. So you should be able to go swimming with it or sweat heavily while wearing it during your workouts. And your different exercises, as you can see here, just tap on that arrow and you have all your exercises. All right, you can just hit start to go from there. Okay. And to go back, just hit the arrow and you're back here. And let's see here, if you wanted to get back to your activity for the day, you just tap today. So all in all, very easy to use. All right. And you got your calendar there. All right. Let's see what else. You can track weight loss, which is really nice too. Now, what's also nice about this, you can change the, I guess, the theme color or the background, right? So let's say I wanted to go dark, I can go dark. If I wanted to go light, I can go over here or go back to the default colors here. And you can actually share this among other people, right? You can go to family and then add members. So it's not just tied to one user. Pretty cool. So if you're back here in the settings, just tap here. And then if you tap where it says connect via third-party platform, you're able to add third-party apps such as WeChat for your notifications, as you can see here. Now, there's more information regarding this in the manual. I just don't want to hog up the time in this video going over just every little thing because it is packed with a lot of features and you definitely will enjoy this. Now here you have a lot of options to choose from, but the one I wanted to talk about right now is watch face style. All right, so you would just tap that. And as you can see here, you can change out the watch face. Pretty cool. All right, you have 4 options. So if I were to choose, let's say this one here, and then I pick up the V100S and then tap here, you can see that the watch face style has changed. Now, I also wanted to point this out. If you go to devices right here, right in the settings, you tap devices. You have a lot of options here. If you go to messages, you go ahead and tap I know. And then you can add in the apps that you would like to receive notifications for. All right. And you can also check off which one of these apps you would like to receive notifications for. All right, pretty cool. And again, if you check this one off like this, you will receive phone calls. Now, you won't be able to talk to it, but at least you can see that you're getting a call. Then you can answer the phone on your phone. All right, let's get this out of here. Actually, I'm going to do this. Turn it off for now. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my wrist so that way you can see how it looks while I'm wearing it. Now, I have a decent sized wrist, so you can kind of imagine how everything will look while you're wearing it. All right, so I'll put this in here real quick. Oops. There we go. Really simple. All right. Now, it does not have the auto wake up, which is fine because it has a lot of other features. But you can just simply tap here and get closer. Tap here. And as you can see, the time is linked up with my phone. All right. And again, you have all your options to slide through. Heart rate right there. 82. It's probably because I'm not being still and moving around. All right. But all in all, very nice. Now, if you're interested in this product, I will have a link posted in the description section. Right now it's listed for $35 on Amazon. And again, if you're interested, please use the link in the description as it will help me out. And this completes my review for the MorePro V100S fitness tracker. I thank you for watching this video. And if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.